for how viewers can watch age-restricted videos on YouTube. This video, I'll show you how viewers can watch age-restricted videos on YouTube. First, open the YouTube app or website and make sure you're signed in with your Google account. Without signing in, you won't be able to view age-restricted videos. Next, check that your Google account has your correct date of birth and shows you're 18 or older. To do this, go to your Google account settings, tap Personal Info, and update your birthday if needed. Now, go back to YouTube and make sure restricted mode is turned off. To check, open Settings, then General, and toggle off restricted mode. On desktop, scroll to the bottom of the YouTube homepage and make sure restricted mode is off there too. If a video is age restricted, YouTube may still ask you to verify your age. In some cases, you'll need to provide an ID or a credit card to confirm you're over 18. Follow the on-screen instructions if prompted. Once that's done, you'll be able to watch age-restricted videos as long as you're signed in with an account that meets age requirement. And that's it. That's how you can watch age-restricted videos on YouTube. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to How to Mastery, and share this tutorial with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.